Hello. This video is going to focus on how to estimate the true proportion of a population. So in our times of the coronavirus, if we wanted to figure out the proportion of all the people who have the coronavirus, and we do not have enough tests in order to go and test everybody, and we would be able to take a sample of, say, population, we would be able to try to predict the true proportion of people who have coronavirus in the population. So what we're going to do today, we're going to estimate the true proportion. I have here a large bin of, well, it used to be toffee, almond, cashew toffee popcorn, but now it is full of these beads. And let's say that I would like to estimate the proportion of beads that I have there that are, I don't know, pick a color, pick whatever you like. Say we'd like to estimate how many pink beads there are in So instead of going and counting all of the beads in this container, I am going to take a small cup and I'm going to take a sample of beads and I am going to count those. Okay, so let's go get started on our proportion. Beads are pink. Okay, so if I'm interested in the proportion, so this is my sample. In my sample over here, I have 15 beads that are pink. Okay, and I had 133 that are not pink. Okay, we'll talk more about successes and failures. Okay, so all together, I actually have 148 total. So if I would like to know the proportion of pink, okay, so the P hat is going to be the proportion in the sample. The P hat of pink is actually going to be 15 out of 148. And this is my proportion of the pink in the in this container of beads that I had there. Okay, now how am I going to use this in order to estimate? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we'll talk more about the mechanics of how to figure that out. Okay, we are going to use this, and we're going to, first of all, we need two things. We need to figure out if we're going to predict anything about our bin of beads. We first of all need to know the sampling distribution. And once we know our sampling distribution, okay, we would like to figure out the mean and the standard deviation of that sampling distribution. And how we're going to proceed with that, we are going to need some formulas here, and we'll talk about the N, which is our sample size, and we will talk about the proportion, which is going to be the P hat, and we're going to talk also about the Q hat, which is the proportion of the failures. All right, see you in a bit.